What is Keyzmo? The Keyzmo 16-in-1 multi-tool is an amazing gadget to collect for those who are into fixing or doing DIY projects around the house. You never know when you will need to tighten a screw or open a bottle. This tool can help you with that. This key-shaped gadget is made of high-quality stainless steel and features all the tools needed for day-to-day work. So, this tool can be a total saver. How does Keyzmo work? Well, the mechanism of this key-shaped tool is mostly due to its design, which was brilliantly done by Keyzmo. This sturdy tool was designed in such a way that it contains all the essential tools while still being compact in size. This tool combines every fundamental tool like a closed wrench in different sizes, bike spoke key, serrated edge for cutting ropes, etc. Keyzmo 16-in-1 multi-tool also has a bottle opener and a can opener, which makes it easy to open bottles cans without any effort. Another great thing about the mechanism of this tool is they are quite efficient as well. They don't feel flimsy or breakable at all, which means the Keyzmo 16-in-1 multi-tool will last a long time without getting damaged, even by regular use. What features does Keyzmo carry? Rust-resistant. Keyzmo keychain multi-tool is rust-resistant, and the tools are made from high-quality stainless steel, so you can be sure that they will not dull or break even by regular use. Compact. Keyzmo keychain multi-tool is compact and can be easily attached to a key ring, so you can use it whenever you need it. This key-shaped tool has everything in one place, so there is no chance of being stuck without any equipment or tool. Durable material. The Keyzmo keychain multi-tool is made from high-quality stainless steel, so you can be sure that it's durable and will last for years to come. It's fireproof, rust-resistant, and anti-corrosive, so Keyzmo keychain multi-tool can complete any demanding job. Versatile. Keyzmo keychain multi-tool is versatile in the sense that it has almost every single accessory you need for your daily tasks. Whether you're looking to fix something at home or just open a beer, Keyzmo keychain multi-tool has it all. Benefits of Keyzmo over other multi-tools. Smaller in size. Keyzmo keychain multi-tool is smaller in size, so you'll never have to worry about carrying it around. The key-shaped design makes this multi-tool super compact and lightweight. Lifetime warranty. Keyzmo has a lifetime warranty, which means that the manufacturer stands by their product 100%. You can trust Keyzmo keychain multi-tool as it has high-quality accessories and a lifetime warranty. Allowed in airport security. Another great benefit of the Keyzmo multi-tool is that it's allowed in airport security, which most of the multi-tools can't. It doesn't have any dangerous components, so Keyzmo can be easily carried in your pocket or bag. More tools in one single gadget key. The Keyzmo incorporates more tools in one single gadget, which is its main advantage over other multi-tools. Keyzmo keychain multi-tool can complete any task you need thanks to this amazing key-shaped tool. That comes with 16 different functions. Pros: 30-day money-back guarantee, rust-resistant. Free shipping is available in the US. It is a multi-purpose tool. This device is easy to use. Cons: available at the manufacturer's official website. Keyzmo price and where to buy. Keyzmo is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.